All right, well, Liam, you're in here with your chickens.
Oh my god.
Yeah, let's pet that chicken. You think the chickens are ready to eat?
Oh, I touched it. I gotta touch somebody. Let's touch everybody. Let's touch you. Let's touch you.
The rooster, and there's your donkey. Hello, Mr. Donkey.
That's not my donkey. Why are the chickens like all around me? Oh, oh my god. I want to touch one of them, their nose. No. Guess what, chickens? I got a new scooter the other day.
Give the llama some food.
I want to give can I give the alpaca some food?
All right, here, you give the alpaca some.
Is that the alpaca?
Yeah, or well, I mean, he's actually a llama. All right. Well, that wasn't exactly. Let me get you some more, and let's put the rest of it in his.
Okay. Can I pour it in?
All right, now go pour it in his blue container.
What if he bites me?
He's not going to bite you, but remember, you got to stay away from what? The back of him? Because he can kick.
That's why you got to pay attention.
Yep, got to pay attention. And the chickens, they're just eating away.
Yeah.
Now let's get the donkey some.
Can I throw it to him? Can I give it to him? Can I give it to him?
Well, but you can't reach over the top.
Yeah, but you can hold me up. Maybe
Or actually, let's go in over here, and then we'll put some. Oh, he's really hungry, so we'll get some more and go in and straighten up his thing. Watch what you're doing. Don't get behind the llama.
Good eyes, Daddy.
All right, come over this way.
Are the chickens the only ones that can get behind the llama? Okay, can I hold it for him and give it to him?
No, we can't get behind the donkey either, because the donkey can, what, he can kick you?
Yeah. Is kicking more?
No. I was going to put it in his container.
It has yucky water though.
Yep, don't let him out.
He was sneaking up on the food. He was going to come out of the gate.
Yep.
Hey, you.
Hello, Mr. Donkey.
Mr. Donkey, can I pet you?
Yep, just don't put your hand in his mouth.
Oh, yeah. Can I pet his back?
Yeah.
Can I pet you, Donkey? Donkey, can I pet you? Donkey, can I pet you? Donkey, can I pet
Nope.
you?
All right, let's go look and see if we found some eggs. Come on.
Okay. But be careful.
Yep.
Should I leave this out here?
Yep, you can set that down right there.
Okay. But be careful. Do you still have the video on?
I do.
Okay.
Open this. Open this one. Let's see if there's any eggs in there.
They might have not laid some eggs.
No eggs right here. Okay.
There might be some in the other barn like that one.
Yep.
Hey, I forgot to lock it.
Okay. Let's lock it.
Nope, none eggs. Hey, Daddy, look. There's a secret hideout underneath.
Yep. And no eggs.
Maybe there's one in this one.
Let's
Open this rusty thing.
Nope.
Smells
nope.
like chicken poop in here.
Well, yeah, the chickens roost, Liam. They roost in those.
What is a roost mean? You have to be really careful here because I'll go check in the other barn. Right, Daddy?
Hold on 1 second.
Let's go check in the other barn.
Let's get the donkey just a little bit more food.
I'll get that. Hey, there's a chicken in here.
Yeah, I know. All right, so
There might be 2 chickens. Chicken, come out of here, chick.
all right.
Can I give him his food?
Well, but I got to reach over the fence, and you can't reach over the fence because it's so high.
Maybe I could pour it in one of the holes. Hey, that's not very much food.
Yeah, but you've already given him 3 more scoops, so or 2 more scoops. He's got a total of 3. I think he's good right now.
Chicken, get out of here.
All right, and do we want to give the
What?
chickens some
Yeah, I want to give the chickens food.
some worms?
Yeah, I'm going to give them the worms.
They like these
What kind are they?
mealworms.
What are mealworms?
So get a handful of those and throw that over there.
Okay. Let's get some.
And look at the chickens come. All right, that's good.
I
That's
think
good.
I could
That's
could
good.
get one more. Hey, Daddy, we forgot to check in the other barn. Let's go
Yep.
check in the other barn. They might not even lay any more legs.
I don't think all of our chickens are here, Liam. I think some of them are out running around the field or something.
Yeah. Yeah, because it is not very much here. Hey, chicken, get out of here.
No, that chicken likes to eat in the food house.
Yeah, that's
All right.
funny. Can I go check in the other barn?
Yep, we'll go down to the...
Let's just poop at this barn. Be careful.
All right, let's go look in this one. See if we see any eggs.
Hey, there's some back there.
Ah, look at that, Liam. You just don't ever know where these chickens are gonna
Wait them.
lay eggs. But you got 3.
I've never found an egg in here. What is that rope for?
All right. So we got 3 eggs that the chickens laid today.
Yeah. Want to do a video with them?
Well, I mean, we're doing a video right now.
Want to do another, like, want to do an egg video?
An egg video?
Yeah. An egg video.
I know what we need to do is we need to blow all these leaves. We got a lot of leaves back here.
Yeah.
All over the place.
I know which video we could do. We could throw eggs at the sign.
No, that's
Yes.
not a good video.
Yes, yes, yes.
We're going to eat these eggs. All right, we'll tell everybody bye, Liam, and we'll catch them next time on the farm, all right?
Bye, bye, animals.